Nice shot. Red Owl Thunder ticket. You ain't good?
Had nothing to be ashamed about.
Bring him over here.
Well, I'd rather not lose my life.
Hold on, I'll come to you. Hold on. He'll die. You hit him in the head? That's fine. Get that off. You sure? You ain't going nowhere. That's a tough one. Could you see it when I first said shoot?
You said, I was ready to pull the trigger. You said, I'll tell you when. And I said, okay, I'll wait. It worked perfect. I was able to slide my gun down low in the log as he came along the fence.
I wonder if he saw this. He had to have seen this.
Oh, yeah. He was right here.
Oh, I just get nervous about flying away. Oh yeah, he saw him for sure. Did he take quarter mile in?
I don't know. Those are good spurs. These are probably inch spurs.
Ain't mistake, alright, yeah.
That's cool.
I buried those bees. I knew that thing was dead.
Of course, I still get nervous though when it's kicking like that. It had to have been that bird.
Girls love one this morning.